Did you see the squirrel? Did you see the squirrel? See, I was looking at the squirrel. Yes, I was. But right now I want my mom. Go get your toy. There you go. Go get your toy. Oh, that one doesn't squeak. I think the squeaker's missing. Say, where's the squeaker? This one's got a squeaker. Look. Look, this one's got a squeaker. Watch. Oh, no, maybe it doesn't. This is all of his hoard of toys. What's that? What you got? What you got? Huh? What you got early in the morning? What you got, baby boy? Oh, there's birds and squirrels out here. What's that? That's a bird. That's a bird. I think that's a mockingbird fussing at us. That's a mockingbird fussing at us. Okay, Mom's got to get ready to go to work. You be a good boy with Dad, okay? Now that's a bee. We're not going to get that.